Welcome. In this video, we'll go over how to exit a group in a WhatsApp community with the latest update. Whether you're organizing chats, keeping notifications under control, or just moving on from a discussion, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that everything looks and works as shown here. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the bottom of your display. You'll see several icons tap on the one labeled Communities. The Communities tab is where all your connected groups are stored under each community. Here, you'll see the list of communities you've joined. Choose the community that has the group you want to leave. When you open it, you'll find all the groups linked to that community. Next, tap on the specific group you want to exit. This will take you inside the group chat. Now, look up at the top of the screen and tap on the group name. This will open the group's details page where you can see members, media, and different settings related to the group. Scroll down through the options until you find Exit Group. It's usually near the bottom of the page. Once you tap it, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and select Exit to finalize it. After confirming, you'll no longer be a member of that group and you won't receive any new messages or notifications from it, and that's all it takes. You've successfully exited a group from a WhatsApp community. It only takes a few seconds, but it can really help keep your chats organized and reduce clutter. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.